It's me, Anna, and we're going to be doing a what's in my fridge video. So this is my fridge. It is a Electro, I don't know what that brand is, whatever that brand is. Electrolux, I think that's what it is. So this side is our freezer, this side is our refrigerator. So I'm going to start with the fridge because like obviously, so this is like all the condiments right here. So let's start at the top. So up here is this we got from Hannaford. It's like little, it's mini cannolis, if that makes sense, whatever those are. Then we have literally like pounds of cream cheese. So we have 1 cream cheese, 2 cream cheese, and then 3 cream cheese. And then right here we have like tartar sauce, sweet and sour sauce, I don't know. Oh, we have like these little, not pickles, but they're like little pepperoncinis or whatever. Then we have mustard and hot relish. Then we have right here on the next shelf down, we have all these sodas, which we're not allowed to drink. They're just my mom's. Well, we're allowed to, but we just don't want to. And then these are some salad dressings. So we have this one, and this one, and then we have steak sauce. Down here we have jelly, more jelly, this, more mustard, what's this stuff called? Mayonnaise. And then we have low fat sour cream and chocolate. Next in the shelf we have nothing. And then we have pickles, and we have 2 ketchups and another syrup. So now this is the main part of the fridge. So at the top we have 3 gallons of milk. We always have milk. And we have Pepsi, we have Coca-Cola, creamer, and then orange juice, which I love. Orange juice is my favorite drink. This we have a ham, we have bread. This is leftovers from Bubba Fries. Butter back here, more breads. We have tons of bread. It's really piled up. And then down here we have burgers left from McDonald's. Then we have juice boxes. So we have Kool-Aid, we have these Polar seltzer waters, and then we have Kool-Aid jammers and a High C. Oh yeah, High C. And then we have more Polar seltzer waters. They're the lemonade ones. And then we have canned fruit. So we have pineapple chunks and fruit cocktail. Then right here are some marinated strawberries, which I absolutely love. So easy to make. Maybe I'll do a video on it one day. So these are from Hot Dogs. Right here, this is deli meat. We have all this deli meat. Then we have cheese sticks, cheese, and garlic. So that's that drawer. The next drawer, oh look, my dog. So, okay, Carly, you need to back off. Okay, so in here we have 2 boxes of strawberries, tomatoes, grapes back there, and blackberries. We have cucumbers, peppers, cucumbers, carrots, baby carrots. Then we have onions in the back. We have that drawer, and then the last drawer, we have more grapes, lettuce, cauliflower, extra fruit things, and milk. And then next we have, so in the freezer, on the freezer we have our ice cube thing, our crushed ice, and water. So, and then it has like all this extra stuff that I don't even care. And then like there's all that, but that doesn't really matter. So in here, this is packed always. So up here we have waffles for breakfast, more waffles, and then we have extra french fries. This is our ice maker, see, yeah, Advantage Ice. And then, oh god. So we have these jelly rings, which I don't really like. You should try them though, they're sort of good. And we like our ring gels. They're called ring gels, covered chocolate covered. Okay, let's start in the door because that's all confusing stuff. But we have extra blueberries for on our waffles. Then we have a chocolate thing right here, and then more waffles. This is our little ice thing. Then we have a Harley Quinn ice cream and a chocolate ice cream. And then this right here is a black cherry chocolate chunk. Meatballs, chicken patties. And now, like, this is all our meat, so like I'm not gonna go in depth because we have a lot. And then in here we have more meat. We always have meat. And then here's our popsicle stash. So we have like yogurts. Then we have like freeze pops and like other like fudgicles and all that. Right here we have toasted onion gravy and char-broiled patties. I don't know what that is, but they look like that. And then there's a bunch of pizza that we love. We always have pizza. And then we have more meat and bread and whatever those are. And then we have more meat and more bread. And then we have like sausages, and that's pretty much it in our freezer. But like, yeah, this is our kitchen. There will be a separate video on that, which I'll do like right after this. So yeah, bye.